Lights, camera, action. Assalamualaikum. Hi, we are Quadranova from SMK Seri Panching.
Hi, I'm Inshira.
Hi, I'm Alia.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi, I'm Auni.
This is our teacher.
Hi, I'm your teacher, Mr. Faisal.
What happened? Why did all the lights go out?
The electricity is being fixed again.
Electricity shortage in schools. Many schools, especially in rural areas, often struggle with unstable electricity. This makes it hard for teachers to use projectors or computers, and students have to study in uncomfortable conditions, especially when it's hot.
They also miss out on access to digital learning. So, our study aims to find the root cause of this issue and explore potential solutions like solar energy and to improve learning environment.
How about we do something to solve this problem?
I have an idea. Why is water as source of electricity?
That's a great idea, but how can we generate electricity without relying on conventional sources?
Water is ionic compound and can conduct electricity. When salt is added, it dissolves into positive sodium and negative chloride ion.
These ions move freely in water, carrying an electric current. In short, salt water becomes an electrolyte that helps electricity flow.
When a magnet is placed in salt water along with a wire, the electric current flowing through the wire generates a magnetic field. This magnetic field affects the moving ions in the water, creating the Lorentz force that can cause movement. This is the basic principle behind electric motors.
I have an idea.
What is it?
What if you make a portable light using waste to energy?
This is Ecolite.
This innovative lamp uses electrochemical fuel cell technology to convert energy from salt water into electricity, powering a bulb and even charging small device. It's eco-friendly, portable, and perfect for rural or emergency use. This is the materials needed for the product. First, the DIY light bulb with the price of Rm 4 ringgit 30 cent. Furthermore, the DIY USB port and a switch with the price of Rm 10 ringgit 90 cent. Moreover, a wire cable with the price of Rm 1 ringgit 96 cent. Then, for water bottle, we also need a DIY hot glue gun with the price of Rm 20 ringgit 90 cent.
Other than that, a academic battery with price of Rm 80 ringgit 8 cent, hence a magnetic shape with price of Rm 8 ringgit. We also need a floor pad with price of Rm 2 ringgit 930 cent. Don't forget a recycle slim mat strap. And last but not least, a DIY Kurotek board with price of Rm 2 ringgit 30.
The total is Rm 81 ringgit 28 cent.